It only takes 3 steps. This is my Taiwanese Mi Te. It's nutty and sweet, extremely comforting for a cold weather. Let's get into it. Step 1, we cook flour over low heat. You can basically use any kind of flour. Cook until you can see the smoke, turn off the heat. Use the remaining heat to cook them until lightly brown. We turn the heat back to low, add sugar, butter, and black sesame. We cook until it's fluffy and has no lumps. I usually put my Mi Te in a bowl, put a cling film when it cools down. We put 3 tablespoons of Mi Te and pour in the hot water. Quickly stir. Adjust it to your desired thickness. I can taste my childhood from it, simple but full of memory. And you can actually eat it right away. So you can basically choose whatever ways you like. If you like my recipe, please hit that subscribe button and check my other Taiwanese cooking videos.